Control, W8RDX. W8RDX and 5MKY, go ahead, Dave. Fire and activation was about 2 minutes and 10 seconds duration. No attack or no shut-off tone. Roger, thank you very much. This is N5MKY net control. I will now pull each station for their activity report. General Foods, Cliff Street, W8RDX. Siren operated properly and was about 3 minutes late. 2 minutes duration, W8RDX. Roger, thank you, Dave. Transamerica Tower, NK2M.
This is NK2M. No activation, no whales, no rotation. NK2M.
Thank you, Gary. Verona School, Capitol Avenue Northeast, W8GRD. No activation as far as I can tell. No tone, nothing. W8GRD. Thank you, John. Urbandale School, North Bedford, KE8GDN. KE8GDN, no sound, no rotation. Thank you, Tom. Riverside School, Riverside and Golden, W8AEZ.
No tone and no rotation, W8AEZ.
Thank you, Stephanie. Water Tower, Eldred Street, KE8MOI.
Functioned as designed for exactly 3 minutes. KE8MOI.
Thank you, Paul. Westlake School, 24th and Blackhawk, KD8RWE.
No sound and no rotation. KD8RWE.
Dale, Bedford Fire number 3, North Avenue and Morgan, KD8TWB.
No sound, no activation. KD8TWB.
Thank you, Max. And that's standby. Bedford Fire, Bedford Township Offices, Aldrich, W8IDR.
W8IDR, nothing. No sound, no nothing. W8IDR out.
Thank you, Ivan. Bedford Village, KD8UUK.
KD8UUK, no sound, no nothing.
Thank you, Barry. East end of Nells Road, KD8TKE.
No tone, no rotation, KD8TKE.
Thank you, Sunday. Golf Course, Avenue A and Dickman Road, W8SXT.
No activation, W8SXT.
Thank you, Jim. I-94 rest area east of Helmer, N8ARR.
We have a winner. Steady tone, full rotation for just about 3 minutes. N8ARR +1.
Thank you, Jay. Water Tower, Beckley and Capitol Avenue, KD8BME.
No activation, KD8BME.
Thank you, Donna. East Michigan and 13 Mile Road, KD8ZCM.
Looking at it now, Smokey, still no activation, no rotation, or siren of any kind, sir, over. KD8ZCM, back to them.
Thank you, Mike. Verona Road and 15 Mile Road, W8JKG.
W8JKG, I had no sound, no rotation, did not activate at all. WJKG.
Thank you, Janice. 17.5 Mile Road, north of Highfield, KC8MQU.
KC8MQU, no activation.
Thank you, Paul. 14-mile road, south of J Drive North, WRAG.
Did not activate, WRAG.
Thank you, Tom. 15 miles south of A Drive North, KB9IAR.
Nothing here, Smokey. No sound, nothing. KB9IAR.
Thank you, Don. Michigan West Drive, Marshall Township, KD8SDX.
No sound, no rotation, KD8SDX.
Thank you, Mike. South Kalamazoo, south of the airport, KD8YSR.
No sound, no rotation, KD8YSR.
Thank you, Steve. 16.5-mile road north of G Drive North, N8RCF.
No tone, no rotation, N8RCF.
Net standby. I just got TX from KD8RHB, and they're going to try and run the sirens again, so all stations please stand by. And when I take the roll, I'll only call the stations that were inoperative. KY, they appear to be activating the tones now. That second tone is very short. Roger. C8MKU. KC8MKU, go ahead.
Do you want me to go back to that siren again? I'm not about a half a block away.
Roger. This is M5MKY. I believe the tones have been sent. Should be done by now. Or 3 sets of tones. So now I will pull stations once more, including those that were reported inoperative. I will not be repulling the stations that were operative. Transamerica Tower, NK2M.
Since the sirens didn't go off, I had left this site, so I don't know.
Roger. Verona School, Capitol Avenue Northeast, W8JRD.
Still nothing. W8JRD.
Thank you, John. Urbandale School, North Bedford, KE8GDN.
Nothing, Smokey. KE8GDN.
Thank you, Tom. Riverside School, Riverside and Golden, W8AEZ.
Ditto to nothing, W8AEZ.
Thank you, Stephanie. Westlake School, 24th and Blackhawk, KD8RWE.
Did not work. KD8RWE.
Thank you, Dale. Bedford Fire number 3, North Avenue in Morgan, KD8TWB.
I was all the way down by KCC, and I still did not hear anything from up here with KD8TWB.
Roger, Max, thank you. Bedford Township Offices, Aldrich, W8IDR.
W8IDR, nothing here, Smokey.
Thank you, Ivan. Bedford Fire number 1, Bedford Village.
Okay, a whole lot of nothing here,
Thank you, Barry. East end of Nettles Road, KD8TKE.
Nothing here, KD8TKE.
Thank you, Sunday. Golf Course and Avenue A and Dickman Road, W8SXT.
Did not operate. W8SXT.
Thank you, Jim. Water Tower, Beckley and Capitol Southwest, KD8BME. Michigan, 13-mile road, KD8ZCM.
Hello again, Smokey. No activation, no rotation of any kind for KD8ZCM.
Alright, thank you very much. Verona Road and 15-mile road, W8JKG.
WJKG, nothing going on here, WJKG.
Thank you, Janice. 17.5-mile road north of Highfield, KC8MQU.
KC8MQU, same thing, nothing.
Thank you, Paul. 14-mile road south of J Drive North, WR8G.
I was out of range when it was reset, but I asked a pedestrian in the area and they said no activation, WRHE.
Thank you, Tom. 15 miles south of A Drive North, KB9IAR.
Still nothing here, Smokey. KB9IAR.
Thank you, Don. Michigan and West Drive, Marshall Township, KD8SDX.
Nothing here either. This is KD8SDX.
Thank you, Mike. South Kalamazoo, south of the airport, KD8YSR.
Did not operate. KD8YSR.
Thank you, Steve. 16.5-mile road north of G Drive North, N8RCF.
No tone, no rotation, Smokey. N8RCF.
Thank you, Rick. C Drive North, east of the railroad tracks, Resco, N8LN.
Did not function. N8LN.
Thank you, Terry. East Burr Oak and Avenue A, Athens, and Pine Creek Reservation, KD8RHB. stand by. Continuing, Bailey Park, WAKDB, and this is N5MKY for ID.
No activation, W8KDB.
Thank you, Kyle. Penfield High School, W8BCK.
No activation,